This machine is 200W air-cooled pulse laser cleaning machine. Designed in a suitcase-style casing, it is portable and suitable for on-site customer service. There are some standard accessories and blow-up devices we can provide for you. Protective lenses are important consumables in cleaning equipment. They can effectively prevent dust from entering the cleaning head, so it is important to replace protective lenses regularly. We recommend that protective lens replacement be performed in a sterile and dust-free environment to ensure cleanliness and performance of the device. Now we will show you the correct wiring procedure for the main power supply. In this process, we need to deal with 3 different power wires, namely the live wire, L, neutral wire, N, and ground wire. The correct wiring sequence is crucial, as it is directly related to the safe operation and stability of the equipment. When wiring, make sure to follow the correct sequence to ensure the normal supply of power and the safety of the equipment. We can see 2 key power switches, one is the system power switch and the other is the laser power switch. The display angle can be adjusted according to your needs. Our devices support 15 languages, such as English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, etc. We can personalize it according to your specific needs. The air pressure valve is connected to the trachea and plays a role in adjusting the air pressure. The gas will come in the direction indicated in the picture. The gas must be inert gas or compressed air. You can increase or decrease the air pressure by rotating the air pressure valve to meet different cleaning needs. We recommend keeping the air pressure at 0.5 MPa. The air blow hose is designed to remove gas residue and effectively protect the lenses from impurities such as dust. This design helps ensure a clean working environment while extending the life of the lenses. This shows the comparison of cleaning speeds under different powers. We can see that for the same material, the greater the power, the faster the cleaning speed. Our pulse cleaners feature a variety of cleaning modes, including linear, rectangular, circular, figure 8, and spiral. Each of these cleaning modes has its own characteristics and is suitable for different cleaning occasions. Figure 8 mode is suitable for cleaning complex-shaped surfaces. The spiral mode is suitable for even cleaning of the entire surface. Conformal and square modes are suitable for cleaning corners or edges, and can achieve more precise cleaning results. The circular mode is suitable for cleaning circular surfaces and can effectively clean cylinder or sphere surfaces. The rectangular mode is suitable for cleaning rectangular or square surfaces and can cover a larger area. Straight line mode is suitable for cleaning long objects, such as pipes or rod-shaped objects. Through the flexible combination of these cleaning modes, our pulse cleaning machines can meet the cleaning needs of objects of different shapes and sizes. Refer to the parameter table we provide and make corresponding parameter settings according to your needs. There are pulse width, down power frequency and other parameters. Carbon steel rust removal, very bright metal surface after cleaning. The first we show you is cleaning and rust removal of carbon steel. As a common material, carbon steel is widely used in manufacturing, construction, automobile manufacturing, and other fields. Paint removal. The second one shows a paint removal. The pulse cleaning machine can efficiently clean various types of paint, whether it is surface coating or paint residue. It can be quickly and completely removed. Compared with traditional cleaning methods, it can completely rinse the paint without damaging the substrate. This cleaning method is not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly. The third shows cleaning ferrous paint. This cleaning method specifically for iron-containing paint is not only efficient, but also protects the surface of the workpiece, ensuring cleaning effect and workpiece quality. Our cleaning machines can also easily clean electrical components such as delicate electronic instruments. Its efficient cleaning technology ensures the cleanliness and integrity of electronic device surfaces without causing any damage to electronic components. Next, we demonstrate the process of cleaning galvanized sheets. Galvanized sheet is a corrosion-resistant material widely used in the construction, manufacturing, and automotive industries. Next, show you to clean the paint on the aluminum surface. Its efficient cleaning mode thoroughly removes surface dirt while protecting the aluminum surface from damage. Next, we will demonstrate the excellent performance of our pulse cleaning machine when cleaning enamel, and you can clearly observe the significant changes before and after cleaning. Our pulse cleaners can be used on a variety of materials, including phone cases. Its efficient cleaning technology ensures that the surface of the phone case is clean and complete without damaging the material. Our cleaning machine can not only remove iron paint from the surface, but it can also clean it more efficiently than other methods. Cleaning galvanized sheet. The unique feature of this cleaning machine is that it can not only clean metal and other materials, but also effectively clean stains on the wood surface, ensuring that the wood surface is clean and flawless. Its cleaning modes and advanced technology allow it to easily handle various stains on wood surfaces. Shown last is cleaning rust off a shovel. Our cleaning machines can easily remove these stains, leaving the carbon steel surface smoother and shiny.